Hey there, welcome to TechWorldGBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Today we are going to talk about comprehensive AI tutorial for beginners to give them a quick overview. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the creation of intelligent systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like cognition. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. AI encompasses several subfields, including machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing. A brief history of AI. The concept of AI dates back to ancient times with myths of intelligent machines. In modern times, AI research began in earnest in the 1950s. Alan Turing, one of the pioneers of AI, proposed the famous Turing test in 1950, which suggests that a machine can be considered intelligent if it can engage in a conversation indistinguishable from that of a human. Key milestones in AI development include the development of symbolic AI during the 1950s to 1970s, the introduction of machine learning and neural networks in the 1980s to 1990s, and the rise of deep learning techniques from the 2000s to the present. Core concepts of AI. Machine learning, often abbreviated as ML, is a core aspect of AI that allows systems to learn from data and improve their performance without being explicitly programmed. ML is driven by algorithms that build models based on sample data, also known as training data, to make decisions or predictions without being explicitly programmed for the task. Key algorithms include decision trees, support vector machines, and k-nearest neighbors. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning based on artificial neural networks. It mimics the way the human brain works by learning from large amounts of data. Deep learning models use multiple layers of neurons to recognize patterns and improve predictions. Natural language processing, or NLP, is an AI field that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. NLP helps computers understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a valuable way. It includes tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, and speech recognition. Neural networks are a set of algorithms modeled loosely after the human brain, designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through machine perception, labeling, and clustering of raw input. The structure of a neural network consists of layers of artificial neurons or nodes that process input data and learn from it. AI can be classified into three types based on its capabilities. First, narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform a specific task such as voice recognition or image classification. Most current AI systems fall under this category. Second, general AI or strong AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. This remains a theoretical concept. Lastly, super AI surpasses human intelligence and can perform tasks better than humans. This is still speculative and remains in the realm of science fiction. Applications of AI. AI in healthcare. AI is transforming the healthcare industry by providing tools for early diagnosis, personalized treatments, and advanced medical research. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of medical data to provide insights into treatment effectiveness and patient outcomes. Examples include robot-assisted surgery, virtual nursing assistants, and AI-based imaging analysis. AI in finance. AI is used extensively in finance for tasks such as fraud detection, risk management, algorithmic trading, and customer service automation. AI algorithms can analyze large data sets in real time, making decisions that were traditionally made by humans. AI in transportation. AI plays a critical role in the development of self-driving cars, traffic management systems, and route optimization. AI algorithms in autonomous vehicles are capable of interpreting sensor data from cameras, radar, and LiDAR systems to navigate complex environments safely. AI in entertainment. The entertainment industry uses AI to create personalized content recommendations, design realistic video game environments, and even generate music. AI systems analyze user preferences to suggest content that is tailored to individual tastes, such as in platforms like Netflix and Spotify. Ethical considerations and AI challenges. As AI technology evolves, ethical concerns and challenges have arisen. Some of the key issues include: 1. Data privacy. AI systems often require massive amounts of data, raising concerns about data security and privacy. 2. Bias and fairness. AI systems can perpetuate bias if they are trained on biased data, leading to unfair outcomes in decision-making. 3. Job displacement. The automation of tasks by AI could lead to significant job losses in certain industries. 4. Control and accountability. Ensuring that AI systems make ethical decisions and remain under human control is a critical concern. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize industries and improve lives. From healthcare to entertainment, AI applications are broad and impactful. However, it's important to address ethical concerns and ensure responsible use of AI technology. As AI continues to advance, understanding its fundamentals and applications will be crucial for individuals and organizations alike. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.